Hello, welcome and welcome back to this channel. Today we are going to be making leaf juice for our hair, making use of pawpaw leaf and bitter leaf, and I'm going to add some onions to it. So these three ingredients I'm going to put in a blender and blend it, and this is what we get. I'm going to sieve it to get just the juice. You don't want any particles, so I'll recommend you use a cloth to sieve so that no particle go through. Make sure you squeeze out all the juice, those green juice, you need all of it. Squeeze it out, and then you use it to rinse your hair. After you must have washed your hair, then you pour this on your hair as a rinse through. Wait for about 30 minutes, then you now rinse it with ordinary water, no shampoo. Then you now deep condition your hair before you now rinse totally. This not only strengthens the hair strand, but it also reduces breakage. It also prevents premature whitening of the hair. So this right here is very good for your hair. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you find this information helpful, and don't forget to click on the notification bell. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.